Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet angel ornament, and I made it with medium worsted yarn. I used a G hook, I used a D hook with thread yarn here, and the rest was done in medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If this video is too fast for you, you can place it in slow motion. There is a link down below, and there's a playlist for beginner stitches. Okay, so let's get started. In the magic circle, I'm going to yarn over. If this is your first time doing the magic circle, there is a link down below. Then I just grab the yarn, pull it through, do like a chain one. Then I'm going to work 10 double crochet in the magic ring. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Continue until you have all 10. And then pull your yarn to close, slip stitch in that beginning stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through. You can pull it tighter, and then you're going to fasten off. So yarn over and pull through. Now you're going to chain 4. This is for the body. It can be done in any color you like. And then you're going to slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 6, and then in the ring work 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, work 2 more double crochet. Then chain 3, and then work 3 double crochet. And then chain 3, and then work 2 double crochet. And then slip stitch into the chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through, and then pull through. Then you can slip stitch into this chain space. You already have the triangle going, and then you're going to chain 6. And then work 3 double crochet. And then in this next space, you're going to chain 1, work 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then work the same here is 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Then chain 1, and then 2 double crochet, then slip stitch in the chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you can fasten off, slip stitch again if you like, fasten off. So I'm doing the wings now. You just need to chain 2, in that first chain you're going to half double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook in that first chain, yarn over, grab the yarn, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and then double crochet in the same, everything's going into that first chain no matter what. This is a double crochet, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So this is a treble, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now you're going to yarn over 3 times. This is beyond a treble, so that's 1, 2, and then 3. And then insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through 2. Then you're going to yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over, and pull through 2. So every time you're just making sure you pull through 2. So you have all of those, and you're going to chain 3, slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the hook, then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the first chain, so go all the way down here and you're going to slip stitch. Then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have the one side of the wing done. Now we're going to do the next. Slip stitch in the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, wrap around 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert your hook into that first chain, yarn over, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Then you're going to 3 times yarn over, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you're going to yarn over twice, 1, 2, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, then double crochet, and then half double crochet, and then slip stitch, and then chain 1 and slip stitch again. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through, and you have your wings made for you now. So cute. And now you're going to assemble it. You're going to make sure to use brown yarn and sew it on right on the tip of the triangle. And if you like, you can create a halo on top. Take your thread yarn and create your chains. Then you can fasten off. You can weave in these ends and then place it over the head, so you can loop it through here. And then however big you'd like it, you can loop it through again, bring it down, and then if you want to stop there for your loop, then you stop and then weave in your ends in the back and forth. Take all of your ends and weave them in. Well, I hope you enjoyed this crochet angel tutorial, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.